Good morning and welcome to Empowering Moments with Velvet. And today I'm coming to you with a surprise. My BFF has come down to spend the day with me. And I just wanted to introduce my BFF to everyone. He is the absolute best friend any person could ever have. Say hello, Harvin.
Hello, everybody.
Harvin is my best friend. I tell you, there is nothing that I don't desire that this man doesn't try to make come true for me. He is the absolute best. We have been friends for well over 15, almost 20 years, and he has not changed. So listen, Harvin is going to make breakfast for me, and Harvin taught me how to make grits. And what he does is he washes those grits. I'm telling you, he gets all of that debris off of them. And then he puts the grits just on. Now, I was taught that you had to boil the water. But Harvin says you do not have to boil the water. Just go ahead and put those grits in that pot, And that's what he did. He put the grits in the pot. And he is going to let that just go ahead and boil. And he is making some Italian hot sausage, grits, eggs, and toast. So these are his ingredients, and he's already did the patties already and put those together. And I'm just going to let Harvin go to work, and then we'll come back and kind of show you, how things are turning out. And then we're going to have breakfast on that fabulous deck extension that Harvin came down and helped me build. Actually, he built it, but I helped him. But hey, if you put one nail in it, then that means you helped, right? So this is my best friend at work. So we're in the kitchen with Harvin today. So how you feeling, Harvin?
I'm feeling great.
I'm
Feeling a little munchy here.
feeling a little munchy.
Yeah, so I'm gonna see what we can stir up here in this kitchen for us this morning.
Okay. Well, I'm excited about it. I'm very excited about it. You are the absolute best cook, and I've learned so much just from, you watching you and you giving me some tips and things. So I certainly appreciate you, and I want to say, that I appreciate our friendship. I really do. You have really been there for me, and I thank you through good times and bad times.
It's all good.
But so for those of you, Harvin is a professional painter. He has his own business. It's Pollard's Painting, and he's based out of South Carolina. So I will leave his information in the description box. I'm telling you, he can paint. Not only can he paint, he builds. He builds everything. You name it, he can build it. And his primary focus now, he says, is on painting. So I just want to, just give that little shameless plug for Mr. Pollard. So we're going to be right back. We're going to get this going, and we're going to just stay tuned. We'll be right back, and we'll see, the process of this. Okay, so we're back, and old Harvin here is whipping up those good old eggs that he makes, and he just uses salt. He does not put pepper in his eggs. He only uses salt. But now let me get over here. Harvin, let me just slide here just because I want to show them what you got cooking here. He's cooking that good old sausage, Italian sausage, and those good old grits. And he loves that butter in his grits. I like cheese. And he's getting ready to do these eggs. And he's getting ready to cook those eggs. And once he does that, then he's going to make that toast. And we are going to have breakfast or brunch, depending on where you are. We're going to have breakfast on the patio. So let's get to cooking here. How you feeling?
Feeling hungry.
Feeling hungry. Okay.
How you feeling?
Let me come back around you here. Okay. I'm doing
Yes,
good.
That's
Boy, that's
yes,
looking good there. That's looking good. So,
hopefully it's going to taste good. I love cooking.
okay.
I love cooking about as much as I love painting.
All right. Okay. And I'm going to tell you, he is a great painter.
Yes, I love cooking about like I love painting.
Okay.
Don't want this sausage to burn, so I got to turn it, and I want my butter for the eggs to burn.
Okay. All right. So he's using butter for his eggs. And he's using, he's out of his element right now. So he's using, when you're out of your element, you have to get familiar with somebody else's stuff. So he has to get familiar with my gas stove because he uses electric, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah, so he has to get used to my gas stove. And sometimes that takes doing. But once he gets used to it, it's going to be no telling, So we're just enjoying this Sunday morning. He came up and it's like a turnaround. He came up to have breakfast with me. And then he's going back home, guys. Who has a friend like that? As they say, where do they do that at? Where they do that at? Huh? He just drove hours and hours to get here just to fix me breakfast, and he's going back home. So, okay, so we're going to show you the finished product in a moment. So we're getting ready to partake now. We're getting ready to have our breakfast on the patio. And I just kind of wanted to share with you what we were having. Thank you, Chef Harvin.
You're welcome.
So we have good old-fashioned grits. Oh, my God. Look at that. And Harvin is getting ready to set the table. You go, boy.
Wouldn't have it no other way, baby.
Oh, look at him. Eggs and sausage. Wow. Toast. And we have orange juice and some Arnold Palmers. Arnold Palmers. So we're going to sit down and we're just going to enjoy this time that we have together and just reminisce on good old times. And then I'm going to be seeing him off until we meet again, my friend. I just want to say thank you guys for watching Empowering Moments with Velvet, the Cook With Me edition. And we are in the kitchen with Harvin. Stay tuned. We're going to have a little more of these episodes coming. And Harvin will be coming back. He is awesome on that grill. And he can cook just about anything. So we're going to do a lot of these in the kitchen with Harvin segments. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Empowering Moments with Velvet, and have a blessed and wonderful day.